Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome, or just welcome in general. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video and watching it. I appreciate it a lot. Sharing with you the products that I use for my hair. Hopefully, maybe it might help you guys. I know that just what works for me might not work for you. I'd say my hair is kind of thick. My hair is also naturally dry, so I use a lot of moisturizing products for my hair. So let's just get on with the products that I use. So first product, of course, I feel like everyone says this in every video for like hair care or just in general, is vitamins. I use these ones. These are the Ollie Women's multivitamins. Comes in a package like this. I absolutely love. They're like chewable gummies. They're not just a pill that you like take one and you swallow. I am more of a gummy person, and it's like a very flavored gummy. I also, for hair care, I use the Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I actually got this a while back as like a Christmas gift. It came in this huge set with like a hair straightener and different tiny little products. I absolutely love this one. I don't use dry shampoo as much just because my hair doesn't look like it's greasy ever, because I've learned to like not do, like I'll like go into like other tips that I do, you know, for my hair later. But yeah, my hair doesn't look as greasy anymore ever, so I don't use this as much. Sometimes I do if I feel like it. So, you know, when it comes to shower, for shampoo, I use, oh, that's not shampoo. I use the Olaplex No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. It looks like this. I love the smell of it. As you can see, I used it a lot. For conditioner, I use also from Olaplex is the No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. It looks like this. I know that Olaplex is a little bit, you know, pricier, but it's honestly the best thing to have in my hair. Before this, I was using the Living Proof Repair Shampoo. That also helped with my hair a lot from all the damage I gave it. Before I go into like my after shower care, you know, like leave-in conditioners and everything, one hair mask I use is the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. So for this, kind of complicated because it says to apply on damp towel dried hair, but for me what I do, I will I'll like wet my hair and then I'll put it on, and then you're supposed to leave it in for 10 minutes and then rinse it. That's what I do, just because if I do it on my dry hair, I use so much of the product. I don't like that, but because it's like, this is tiny and it's $38, so I wet my hair and I apply the product that way instead. This is from the Dry Bar. I got this also a while back in a FabFitFun box. Kind of want to buy another one and do a review on it for my channel. If you guys want me to do that, please let me know. But this is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. It's a leave-in conditioner, so it helps you detangle your hair. But not only that, it's also a heat protectant, so if you do use heat on your hair, this helps not make your hair as damaged. Another leave-in conditioner, I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. You've probably seen this in one of my haul videos. I use this. I absolutely adore the smell of it. It smells so good. I absolutely love this on my hair. I feel like this has made my hair a lot softer and healthier since I started using this. And this is definitely worth it. This is from the drugstore, so it is cheaper. And my last product before I give you guys some tips is also, you've seen this in my haul video. I feel like I'm almost out of it. It's called It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin Conditioner. It comes in a small spray bottle. You just spray it all over your head, and it's also supposed to keep your hair, hold on, let me read the back. It says does 10 things instantly: maintenance of keratin, strengthening treatments, increases styling and manageability, perfect for all hair types, helps replace lost protein, protects the natural keratin in hair, protects against heat, restores hydration balance, detangles, frizzes and adds shine, helps strengthen hair, and seals cuticles for extra silky hair. And when I say this helps with your frizzy hair, it helps a lot. Like, I always get like frizzes here, and it helps so much. I haven't gotten it since I started using the product. For tips, or at least what I do, of course, I know you're supposed to get like trims like every other month, or like I think like every month, but I don't really do that. I always do like an inch or half an inch like every 2 months. I know like trims are supposed to help, but I don't like haircuts, whatever. I remember when I cut my hair short, I almost cried. Another tip is try not to shower, like wash your hair all that much. I only wash my hair like once or twice a week, which is why my hair, like I was saying, my hair doesn't get greasy anymore, because I don't wash my hair that often. Like when you wash your hair a lot, it strips your hair of the moisture and natural oils on it, so your hair tends to get greasier, faster, oilier, faster. So when you don't wash it as often, often, then your hair doesn't get oily anymore. So, and then literally when you just like hair wash, that your hair still looks so clean. Go to bed. Don't put your hair in a bun. Braid your hair. I always braid my hair before I go to sleep. I know some people say that using heat on your hair is bad. I saw a while back like a research on how like there was two twins, and one twin only like toweled her dry hair or like air dried her hair, and then the other sister like blow dried her hair. And the sister who blow dried her hair actually had like healthier hair than the sister who air dried her hair. What you have to do, like I said, use a heat protectant that will help your hair get less damage from the heat. And of course, when you get your trims, especially during the winter, like blow dry your hair, like you'll get headaches and migraines if you don't. But definitely use a heat protectant if you use a blow dryer. Also, make sure that your hair dryer looks like this, not like this. If this part is not on your hair dryer, these parts is what damages your hair when you're blow drying it. So you need to have it like this or like that, whichever you like it. And I do it on high just because I've got thick hair and it's so hard to dry my hair, but I make sure that there's this piece. Also, if you can get like silk pillowcases, I have some. These are like Egyptian silk, so like they're not normal silk, but these that helps your hair as well with like less breakage. That is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I can't wait to talk to you guys all soon. Bye guys.
You